Good morning, class. It's Mrs. Irby. It is Thursday, November the 12th, about 8:22 a.m. And I just wanted to come on and show you the assignment that I've made for you. If you go into the courses, and I'll just do period one, it's going to be here, and it's literally going to say Thursday, November 12th, 2020. And you're going to click in. The first thing you're going to do is check in for attendance. So right over here, you're going to write your first and last name, and I will make sure you are counted for attendance, okay? After you take attendance, you are going to go to the hurricane assignment, and it's right here. It says, good morning, afternoon, students. I will be attaching an assignment that will need to be completed for Thursday and Friday. Please take your time and read the passages and complete the questions. You will have 2 days to complete the assignment. The assignment is due on Monday when you walk in, okay? So it's going to be comprehension and questions. Here's the first passage, and then here's the second passage. And then you have questions, okay? Please excuse the formatting. I have attached it as a Word document too, if you want to look at it on that as well. So there's about, I believe, 6 multiple choice questions, and then 2 questions that you will need to answer. Please answer each part of the questions. These are your short answer questions. So the first one is, which iconic character do you find the most compelling? The new type of male hero discussed at the beginning of Passage 2, or the more authoritative, self-assured, and righteous hero of the past? Then you need to tell me why and explain. So that's a multiple point question, and you need to tell me why, tell me which one, and explain. Number 8 says the author of the second passage suggests that Clint Eastwood became a new model for American masculinity. To what extent do you believe that viewers actually attempt to copy the behavior of their heroes in the media? Is it reasonable to suggest that American men model Clint Eastwood or any other iconic character? Why or why not? For Clint Eastwood, he's kind of older. You may want to Google him. He's been in some good stuff. And think about your grandfather or maybe some uncles, and see if their behavior is similar to Clint Eastwood's, okay? That's the only thing you'll be able to do. You can actually write your comments in here if you want. Um, I prefer that everybody do that. If you email them to me, it's going to take me some time to get it graded. So your best bet is to go ahead and write it in the comments under here. Other people will not be able to see your comments or copy. Once you post, then you can see everything, which lets me know if you went back and edited. So do your own work. Try not to copy, and try your best. All the answers are right in there. It's multiple choice, for crying out loud. You guys can do this, okay? I will need you to log back on tomorrow and take attendance. I'll have another attendance folder for you, and you can just continue with this document, okay? So no new assignment for Friday. This is the assignment for Thursday and for Friday. You need to read the passage and answer the questions. On Friday, you will need to log in again to take attendance, and that's it. So please do not email me, I'm here, or message me. You will need to write your first and last name on the thread that I have for attendance, okay? Hopefully this is it. Hopefully you guys are safe, you have power, and everything has been okay. Just we'll come back on Monday and start over. We will be testing on Monday and Tuesday. Um, it'll be short tests. Please keep in mind on Tuesday, I believe, progress reports are due, and we are still taking pictures. So all of my classes on Tuesday will be taking their school pictures. So please try to remember that, okay? Have a great weekend, a great Thursday, great Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I'll see you on Monday.